So before we get started today, I just wanted to introduce myself. I'm Vern, and welcome to CARiFiT, where we think about postnatal fitness a little differently. What started as a differentiated workout methodology in 2017 has evolved to become an evidence-based mental and physical health tool, empowering new mothers around the world to feel happier, stronger, and more confident.
I did CARiFiT with both my babies, in person and online. As a medic, it quickly became obvious that CARiFiT is obsessed with improving the physical, social and emotional well-being of new mums and fostering connections with their babies that set them up for life. CARiFiT was shown to improve postnatal depression scores, lower anxiety, improve physical recovery and impact the parent and baby bond, a key indicator for raising happy, well-adjusted children. Now, I'm excited to be part of the CARiFiT team as medical director to further enhance the support that we offer even more new mums with CARiFiT.
So what began as a live class concept in 2017 has now welcomed thousands of new mums and hundreds of monthly subscribers.
Hi, I'm Natalie. I've just finished return to running week 5 workout 2. My workout buddy is 8 months old and I love CARiFiT because I didn't think that there was a way that I could get back to exercising since having a baby. So it's been amazing for that, and I love that I'm setting a good example to him.
To date, we have powered all of this through social media and word of mouth. We've been featured in Women's Health, OK, Grazia, Mother and Baby, taught some incredible events, sold out rooftops as part of London Fitness Week, blown minds on big screens at Samsung, and even supported the NHS when they all supported us, gifting hundreds of memberships to key workers during lockdown.
The health and well-being of new babies and their mothers has always been our top priority at CARiFiT. We are only just getting started. Baby wearing is at the very heart of the CARiFiT ethos. The benefits of baby wearing extend beyond just removing the need for childcare when you want to get a great workout done. It strengthens connections, promotes early development, and can lead to more confident babies. For the past 4 years, we have partnered with ErgoBaby, one of the best known baby wearing brands, to provide well-being content.
So now the time has come for us to step boldly into the baby wearing market and launch our own differentiated offering. Ergonomic sports tech designed specifically for CARiFiT, for parents with active lifestyles and healthy ambitions for their families. Each carrier will be made of recycled material using 42 plastic bottles and will offer digital first support to optimise fit, improve safety and extend the product understanding.
And this is where the brand new CARiFiT app comes in. For 18 months, CARiFiT have been working on a personalised postnatal journey through a full medical, physio and fitness programme that takes into account real-time data around sleep quality, stress and anxiety to offer support where it's really needed. We like to think of CARiFiT as a differentiated combined offering of game-changing product and ongoing product support, paired with specific postpartum and pregnancy wellbeing advice, guidance and community, all powered through the CARiFiT app.
Join us today in our mission to support new mums, their babies and families, to live active, mobile, healthy lives, and to feel stronger, fitter, happier, and more connected to one another.